Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a steering lock module, or it is kind of a steering lock module or KC module for Audi, Volkswagen, but this one for Audi, as you see here, A6. And this is a donor coming from another car. Okay, the other one here, as you see, this is for Q7, I believe. And this one is not working. So we took this one out, original one. We are trying to use hexaproc to read the information and write it back into this one. Actually, to open this, I use this tools. It is for opening the the door cylinder for Ford vans and Ford, it is very good to use it. So I use this one and it works. See, I open it, open this. The way you open it is very simple, as I show you here. Okay. I bought it a long time ago from, I don't know, it's Alibaba or a website, and it's work. The price is reasonable. Here's the one that also, to take this one out, it is supposed to be here, but you have to cut it so that it's going to be opened by a screwdriver. So I'm going to take this one out. This is from A6. Before you go crazy, try to see if they are the same. If they are not the same, you don't need to. This is a donor one. This is the original one. So if they are not the same, you don't need to waste your time. If it look like they are the same. So I'm gonna leave this one as it is. To take it out more, I believe you have to come here in the back, use flathead, like flip screwdriver, something like this, or I'm not sure which one. Where is that piece? See, take it out. This is the one that we are going to write down the information into it. I'm using flathead screwdriver, a small one, but actually it's supposed to be something different. So you're going to take this one out, and here gently push this, keep it here. I'm going to keep this one, and I have to be sure that they are the same. Don't mix it. This is what we're going to put it in. Okay, turn it this way, read the number 17, see, 1701, and this also 17031701. So I'm gonna read the information out of this and write it here. It is also to put a small mark to know that one of them is donor, so you don't mix it. So I'm gonna leave this one here. and I come back. I write this D as a donor, and that's original. Original. So now I work in peace. The second is to go and try to open the computer. Let me take this one out. I'm gonna connect my USB here. Into my laptop. You need to put power here. Something very important. Your laptop must be connected to charger. Do not try to work without any charger. I don't need this one now. This one also for my chip tester. I'm coming back. You have to have a solder machine. Okay, now we are going to connect our tool to Hexaproc. Hexaproc. Now they have two platforms, Hexaproc Tuning and Hexaproc Regular. If you want to see the tuning, let me see what the tuning have. This is a new platform for Hexaproc. Let me see it's opening or not. Hexaproc Tuning, ECU by vehicle. It looks like this only for tuning. New car. It looks like only for tuning. It gives you what is there. You see, USB, short update, current. Okay, BMW. I don't know what is mean this one here. Fault reading codes. I don't know how. 2 series. Okay, I'm not in this one. I'm gonna close this. I will go to my Hexaproc Regular. Okay, on bench programmer, BMW, Audi, this time Audi. What is it, BCM? Okay, they call it BCM, yeah. Which one is that? I believe this one. Is that 3L4K? Let me check this one. Let me see the wiring first. Is this what we're looking for? If it's not, I'll look for the next one. See? This is the one. And here is where we're gonna start soldering the wires. So here. In this area here. So we're gonna solder 3 wire here, 2 wire here, and 1 wire in this area. So the first thing we need to do is to get something to help us soldering good. Where is the next one? And there is one here. I don't know where exactly, but it's supposed to be somewhere. If it's not here, that means a problem, but I believe it's supposed to be somewhere here. I believe somewhere here. So the last one is this one. Okay. Now we're gonna turn this on. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect this. You don't need to disconnect it, but okay. I'm gonna bring all my wiring near here. and I will start soldering those wires. First these two, yellow, blue, black. If you don't know which one is number 3, because we have 2 here, so take this one here, in this area here. Be sure you don't have no resistance. Here first. Let me turn this one on. That one have to be off. Now I'm gonna start soldering it. Okay. I can use this one to help me. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. Okay, now the black one here. Okay, the red one is a little far. I'm gonna go to the blue, light blue. Light blue, then yellow. Is the yellow. Next is the black. We have 3 here, 2 there, and 1 left. This one. This one I'm gonna come all the way to this area here. This is the one. Good. So we have 5 wires. Okay, we just finished reading all the information. This is ESL mask 1L59. See here, W or 3LK40. That's the wiring. So I'm gonna go back to my place here. Okay, I'm gonna read the first one. I'm gonna read the apron. Do I have everything connected? Yeah. Hopefully I'm communicating with it, okay? Hopefully I'm gonna communicate. I'm gonna read the apron. If there is no communication, it's bad. But you see here, start unlocking. You hear it's clicking. Second time, unlocking MCU style 1, 2 of 2. It looks like it's not reading. I'm not able to read anything. You see here? failed unlocking chipset. Okay, let's see why. Okay, I come here. You have to read the mask. One thing that's very important is you have to read the mask no matter what. Read the mask and do the wiring because they are different. Like this one here, the mask is this one here in the bottom. The mask is ESL J215 mask. Okay. Okay, ESL J215 mask. ESL J518. I'm sorry. Okay. J518 mask CPU. And also the same thing, this one here, J1518 mask 010L01Y. So this one here is wrong. This one is for the other one, which is this one here. This one here. This is L159 3L40. The mask is different. So what I did on the first one is wrong. So we have to go and do it this way. So I'm gonna come to this one. I'm gonna clean this. Clear this. I'm gonna use this one. So in this here, okay, I'm gonna take the black and red, solder it here, and the yellow and blue scattered in other places. So let's go ahead and deal with those wires. I'm gonna disconnect all four except the first one. The first one have to stay. So this one is not a problem. This one is good. But the other one have to come here. So stay with us. Okay, just to know that this is the soldering for one mask. So you have to see which one that you need it. So we're gonna take all these three out. All four wires have to go out. So I'm gonna take this, desolder them, turn it upside down. This one have to go out. This one, all of them have to go out. Okay. Who is calling there?
Oh, yeah, there you go. Come.
Simpson? You see, this is different. You're gonna use the light green in here. You're gonna leave all this. Okay, and then you're gonna turn other side. When you're turning other side here, you're gonna solder the two wires, which in another place. And this place is very simple. You're gonna be in this area. In this area here. So what I'm gonna do, I will do it this way. So to have the position right. And I will put, there are two here. And there are some here. So then we're gonna start looking for our wire to solder. Okay, I'm gonna start with this one. No, this one, yeah, the light blue. The last resistor, leg, and the down. Okay. See here, it's gonna be here in this place. and this one. So I did a mistake. This one's supposed to be in and the other one out. Don't mess it up. The blue inside. So okay. 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 The only thing is here is not well adjusted, but I will try to read it now. It doesn't want to read. It make noise. Everything, I gotta check the wiring. This is the software, you see 3 of 3. The owner say also the car is not able to read by reading the information. So it could be true. So we may have to use OBD2 to do it. Okay, let me see. This is the one here. Okay, let me see the wiring again. Yellow is outside, light blue is inside. It's good. And I have the light green in the back, which is good. That's very funny. Did I did any mistake? Okay. I'm gonna stop here.